Hello everyone, welcome back to another advent calendar video. Today I have episode 4 of this year's series, and today I'm going to be filming it in the old classic style. This is how this whole thing started, was from me doing these kinds of videos, and for most of them I stopped doing it like this because it always just results in an absolute mess. But every single year I like to do at least one advent calendar in this style. What I do is, as I unbox the calendar, that is the order that I have to put each product on my face when I'm doing the makeup part. So, you know, day number 1 goes on first, day 25 goes on last, obviously. And it usually results in an absolute mess because I have no control over what order I'm putting products on my face. And I like to try and use every single product. So it sometimes results in like 10 different lipsticks piled on top of each other. And this year I've got a different one. I've never unboxed this calendar before. This is the 17 Countdown of Joy advent calendar. So the brand is 17 Makeup. And yeah, this is their advent calendar. It cost me £30. So this is definitely the cheapest one that we've had this year. Before I start though, I am gonna cut to a clip that I filmed earlier because I had a very special delivery arrive at my door. I'm sure you guys know exactly what I'm about to say. This little section of the video is very kindly sponsored by HelloFresh. So our HelloFresh box has just arrived, which means our dinners are now sorted for the next few days, because inside I've got 3 of these little bags which contain all of the pre-measured ingredients that I need to make 3 different dinners. And then you also have a recipe card to go with each of the meals with instructions on the back telling you how to make them. So these are the ones that we've gone for this week. However, there are so many different options for you to choose from each week, so I feel like there's always going to be something on there for everyone. As I always say, me and Alex have used HelloFresh for years now, like literally years and years and years and years, and I can't see us ever stopping because it is just so convenient. Hello. It's made dinner times so much easier for us. It's got us into a routine of cooking more. It's made our dinners a lot more exciting, like definitely. And yeah, we just really love them. So I genuinely can't see us ever stopping using them. HelloFresh are also great if you want to get into the routine of meal prepping, because you can very easily prepare all of the dinners for the upcoming days at once, which is obviously great if you're looking to get more organized with meal times and save some time on cooking each day. As always, HelloFresh have given me a discount code. If you use my code Sophie L6025, you can get 60% off your first box and then 25% off your next 8 boxes. I'll also have a little QR code on screen that you can scan, and I'll have a link in my description box as well. So yeah, definitely check out HelloFresh if you want to. Join us. See if you love them as much as we do. I'm sure you will. They're super flexible as well, so you can cancel and pause your subscription at any time. So I feel like that's even more of a reason to give them a go. And yeah, I think that's everything. Like I said, I'll have a link in the description box. Okay, are we ready? Day number 1. Is that number 1 or is that number 7? Day number 1, we have this one. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna have to put on my face is... hopefully not that. We have, what is this? Oh, it's an eyeshadow. Okay, so we're starting off with eyeshadow. Oh, do we not have any shade names? Oh, that's boring. It just says it's a limited edition eyeshadow. It's in this really pale color. Yeah, like really, really pale sort of nudie shade. It's not completely matte, but it's also not shimmery either. It's kind of like in between. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with a bit of this eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid, because I mean, what else am I gonna do with it? It's probably not even gonna show up. It's quite like a pale colour. It's literally the colour of my skin. Yeah, I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid like this, kind of as like a little base colour, I guess. And as expected, it looks like nothing. There we go, product number 1. Did f***. Day number 2, we've got this one. Okay, we have a tube of something. Oh wait, don't be mascara. I never thought I'd say that, but please don't be mascara. Second. It's too soon. Is mascara, which is good. That is good that there's a mascara. That is helpful for doing my makeup, but getting that second is just going to make doing everything else kind of awkward. Let's see what kind of wand it has. Yeah, it's just got that kind of like typical cheaper mascara wand is the only way I can describe it. I'm sure it'll be fine. So there we go, got a mascara. It looks like a good size as well. That smells like something. What the hell? I recognise that smell so much, but I can't put my finger on what it is. But it doesn't smell like something you should be putting on your eyes. Oh well, I'm gonna do it anyway. What is that? That's gonna really bug me. Okay, I'm not the biggest fan of the mascara. It's really messy, like it's really transfery. But for what reason? Like it's not really done anything. I feel like my eyelashes don't look too different to before. But you know what? At least they put a mascara in there. They tried. it's just a bit of a crap one. Day number 3. Is this all gonna hold out, or are we gonna have a friggin' Jenga time again? Okay, day number 3, we have... Oh, a nail polish. Yeah, sometimes there are products that I can't put on my face. So when I said I use every single product, it's only makeup products. I'm not gonna put this on my face. Yeah, we've got a little nail polish. It's in this kind of lilac color, which I like. I like the color, but it's got loads of like glittery bits in it. Day number 4. Okay, we have something skinny. Is this going to be an eyeliner? I feel like maybe it is. So it is an eyeliner, but it's not like a liquid liner. It's more of like a eyeliner crayon. It's in this black colour. That's about it really, just a black eyeliner pencil. Okay, this is the part that's going to make it hard to do the rest of my eyeshadow on top of it, because I've now got to do my eyeliner, but I still feel like I want to try and use it to do a little bit of a kind of wing or something. You know, just a little tiny one like this. It's doing something. It's coming out kind of grey. I feel like it's kind of done something, but obviously it's not going to look as good as with a liquid one. It's not going to show up as much. It's not as like precise. But I tried. Day number 5. Oh, hello. Get your ass back in there. Day number 5. We have potentially another... We have a bronzer. Okay, I thought it was going to be another eyeshadow, but this is a bronzer. It's quite warm toned. I feel like it probably won't look too good as like a contour, but maybe more of just like an overall bronzer it should work. I have a really bad feeling about this. It's just not a very nice bronzy colour. It's way too orange. I mean, it's not really doing anything, which I'm kind of glad about. It's better than looking orange, but yeah, it's barely showing up. This would not work on many skin tones at all. Like, it's barely even working on me, and I am super pale, so if you're any less pale than me, this ain't gonna work. But you know what? It's going better than I thought it would. It's definitely bronzing my face up a little bit. Okay, day number 6. Or is this day number 9? I feel like that's the 9 and this is the 6. I just feel like it is, even though they look exactly the same. Okay, day number 6. We have... Is this another nail polish? Bro. It is. Yeah, this one is also in this kind of purple colour and it's also glittery. And yeah, again, I can't put this on my face. I'm sorry. I swear one year someone commented being like, I'm disappointed you didn't actually put everything on your face. Like, bro, what do you want me to do? What? Day number 7. Okay, we're fine. Okay, we have... What is this? Oh, they're going to be real mad because I can't put this on my face either. Things like this, ma'am. What were you expecting me to do? Yeah, there are certain things that in this challenge you can't really do much with, but we've got some nail clippers. There's not really too much to say about them. They're just nail clippers. Okay, day number 8. Hopefully we've got something that I can actually do something with. I don't think it is. I mean, come on, it's a scrunchie. Can't put this on my face, but you do get a scrunchie. Yeah, it's just like a little sort of pastel-y pink coloured hair scrunchy thing. Okay, day number 9. Oh, please be makeup, please be makeup, please be makeup. Are you serious? This is meant to be a makeup calendar and like multiple items in a row have not been makeup. I get that these things are always going to be in these calendars, like in the cheaper ones, they always are, but I think you should sort of spread them out just a little bit more. We got some tweezers. Day number 10, come on. Like, I need something. Okay, it's literally a ball of something. What? It's a fucking bath bomb. Is this not a makeup advent calendar? I swear it is. Like, the brand is a makeup brand. We have a bath bomb. Yeah, it's just like a little tiny ball. Smells alright. Day number 11. I feel like this one just has to be makeup. Like, how many things in a row haven't been? Like 4 or 5? This has to be makeup. Okay. Okay, it's makeup. I was beginning to think that this was over. Okay, so we've got a highlighter. This is what it looks like. It's in this kind of like... Oh, I feel like on camera it looks lighter, but in real life it is a bit darker. It's quite, I don't know, I guess like a dark champagne-y colour. Might be a bit too dark for me, actually. I'm not sure if that's going to work. A bit like the lid. That doesn't work either. That just came straight off. But there we go. We have a highlighter. It's another makeup product. I'll try and make it work somehow. Oh, it's very, like, glittery, like a very chunky glitter. There we go. It's definitely doing something. And I think, actually... the shade's not too bad. Little bit on the other side. Little bit on there. Okay, I think the highlighter has worked pretty well. Okay, this is day number 12. What are we gonna get? Please don't go back to random things. Ooh. It's a brush. Yeah, we have a little eyeshadow brush. It looks like this. It's just like a really small little one. I mean, technically it's not makeup, so I can't use it on my face, but also technically I can use it to put on my face, if you get me. Watch me forget about that though. You'll never see that again. I will forget that I got that when I'm doing my makeup. Day number 13. Really? Okay, day number 13 we have... Okay, we've got another little eyeshadow. This one is... Okay, this one is like a full-on matte eyeshadow. And it's just in this kind of cool-toned brown colour, I guess. But yeah, another eyeshadow. So I'm going to have to put this on top of the eyeshadow from earlier. But I feel like that should work. Like, they should work together, I think. Okay, so now I'm going back to my eyes. I've got to try and do the rest of my eye makeup with eyeliner and mascara already done. I think it should be fine though. So next I've got this matte brown shade, although it doesn't look that brown, does it? It almost looks like a purpley brown. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and kind of run it, you know, the place in the usual area. I'm not gonna lie, it's not really doing anything. I mean, it's adding a tiny little bit of colour, but it's really not doing too much. Day number 14. Oh my goodness. What is this? This is so big. Oh, so we've got some like under eye patches, like eye mask things, but they're in the shape of shooting stars. I think that's adorable. But again, I can't use this to do my makeup, so we're not going to be able to use this, but they're cute. So I appreciate this. I think this is a good little item and it's something a bit different. Okay, I've just found day 15 on the floor. Day 15, we have... Oh, it's another brush, isn't it? Yeah, we've got another brush, but this is more of like a face brush. I feel like you could use this contour blush, I guess. That's probably about it. Again, I will probably forget about this and end up using my own brushes. Goodbye. Okay, day number 16. We have got... Oh, I know what that is. I was going to say, what is that? It's really obvious. If it's a squishy ball, then it's going to be one of these. Jesus, that's a big one. I feel like that is a decent sized booty blender. It's in this like pastel pink colour. You penis. I was going to say I'm dressed really well for this video because it matches like the pink. Fuck's sake. Yet again, this isn't that helpful for like actually putting makeup on. Well, technically it is because you can use it to put makeup on, but I can't actually use it to beauty blender. Okay, this is what it's had to come to. Day number 17. Oh, I mean, it's definitely not makeup, but it looks interesting. What is this? Oh, it's an eye mask. We've got a little silky pink eye mask. I mean, it's cute. I personally don't sleep with fabric around my face. I just feel like that would drive me insane. But some people, again, a bit like the scrunchie, some people would like this. So I guess that's a cute little product to put in there. It's just not very helpful for me and my little dumb challenge. Day number 18, we have this one. Oh my. I don't think this is makeup either. It's another scrunchie. But again, I'm sure there are some people that would like this. It is just another scrunchie. It's in this silky pink material. Cute, but I can't put it on my face. Day number 19. Please, for the love of nail file. It was always going to happen. This was inevitable. You can't have a cheap advent calendar and not get a nail file in it. So we knew this was coming, but I was still not prepared. There's not really much for me to say about it, but yeah, I cannot use this to do my makeup. Like 90% of the products in this calendar. Day number 20, we have... Oh no. Day 21. Day 21, my lucky number. I feel like this has to be something useful for me, right? Otherwise, it's just not lucky anymore. Okay, this looks like makeup. This is good. Okay, so we've got another eyeshadow. This one is a very like darker, warmer, bronzier kind of colour. Yeah, it's almost like a coppery shade, and it is shimmery. So we do have a couple of more like matte ones, and then we've also got a shimmer to go with it. So I feel like that's a good bit of variety, I guess. And I feel like this should work well on top of the eyeshadow that I'll already have on. Okay, this eyeshadow has surely got to do something. It looks like it will show up quite nicely. It's a much darker, more like intense colour, and it has got a load of shimmer in it. So I'm just gonna whack a load of this on my eyelid. Okay, yeah. Ooh, okay, yeah, this is definitely working. This one's really pretty, but oh my goodness, it is so messy. It's falling out all over my face. Yeah, there we go. It's all right. Seems to have done the job. I feel like this would look a lot better though if I had like a nicer matte shade to go with it on top, but never mind. Day 22 is a tube of some kind. Do we have another mascara? What? Oh, we have a lip product. Oh wait, yeah. I feel like we've not had any lip products yet. This is the first one. Oh shit, and it's a lip gloss. I'll tell you what I can get. This is a, yeah, lip gloss. It's in this sort of, I guess it's kind of like a peachy kind of colour, I'd say. Yeah, like a pinky peachy colour. I mean, yeah, it looks alright. It's a decent size as well. That's definitely a full-sized product. Okay, let's put a little bit of this on. I have a feeling it's not going to do anything because it's just a lip gloss. So I feel like, yet again, this might be a product that just does nothing. Yep. I mean, as far as a lip gloss goes, it's alright, it's done the job, it has glossed them a little bit, but obviously it hasn't added any colour, which is what I feel like I need right now. Okay, day 23, we have, I swear, I think it's another nail polish. It is. Got another nail polish, but this one is very different to the other ones. Not only is it a completely different colour, it's in this sort of pale kind of nudie shade, but it's also not glittery. This one's like a non-glittery nail polish. But yeah, yet again, I don't have much use for this. I am not putting this on my face. And then that leaves us with the final day, day 24. I mean, what do I even want at this point? I'd like a blush. Is this a blush? It actually is. That is exactly what I just said that I would want. Yes, we've got a blush. This is what it looks like. It's in, funnily enough, this pinky colour. It's a very pale pink colour. I was going to say it's matte, but it looks like it's got a tiny little like bit of shimmer in it, like there's little flecks in it. Okay, I finally get to put some blush on. Yeah, a bit of a weird point in my makeup routine to do my blush, but that's how we're doing it today. I'm just gonna whack it on like I normally would. Oh my goodness, I feel like it's just not even gonna show up. Everything has been so pale. I mean, it's all right, like it has done a little something. There's a little hint of pink and a little bit of shimmer on my cheeks now, I guess. And there we go. This is the result of me using the products from the advent calendar in order. There's a lack of eyebrow going on. Like, can we just... Yeah, I'm just going to stay like this, I think. There is a lack of eyebrow. There was no eyebrow product, and there's nothing I could really use for my eyebrows. So they're just going to have to stay naked, which just looks weird. Like, if I don't do my eyebrows, I look weird. But yeah, we did have everything else that we needed, just about. So yeah, this is my finished makeup. But yeah, that was the calendar all unboxed. I guess it was all right. There was a variety of different things. I feel like for a makeup calendar, you could definitely have done with a few more makeup items, funnily enough, but I guess it was okay. I guess this is probably more suited for younger people, like teenagers and younger, yeah, do you know what I mean? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you very soon for probably another advent calendar video. Surprise, surprise. Bye!